Now let's turn. Yellow. Again violet.
We are doing Hump Hut for which animal?
Camel.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Camel feels too hot.
Camel feels
So we are making a
hump hut. Now turn. Beautiful. Oh, so I can.
Red.
After red, blue.
Red.
After blue, pink. Yes, after pink, wood. It's pink. Legs. After pink, get orange. Now, after orange, green. Violet. This is Hump Hut for my camel Casper. I used twists, ice cream sticks, straws, thermocole, cornflakes box, bottle caps to make these beautiful shapes for Casper. He can rest here in shade. I put the sticks into the thermocole, placed into the tray and pasted straws on top of cornflakes box. Now my camel can feel cool. Do you like my design?
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Do like and share our videos and please do subscribe to our channel for more such interesting and informative content.